Hey everybody, it's Marquita.
And Gary.
And
Hello.
Gary.
You go get
Hold
me my
on.
phone.
Okay, everybody. Sorry, I'm back. We're back.
Yeah.
You're out of the taste test.
Excuse me, Hannah.
You're not in this one today this time. Next one maybe.
Go. We are here to do the taste test. I don't know if y'all seen my taste test when I did the loaded bagel. I finally found these boogers. Been looking everywhere for them. The Lay's wavy fairground tomatoes. And if y'all know me, knowing that I'm a Southern Belle, born and raised in Tennessee, and fried greens tomato is a must. If you don't eat fried green tomatoes, this guy over here, you're not a true Tennessean.
Born and raised.
Anyway, he's not a true Tennessean.
I farted.
Oh, well, thank you for telling
The whole
everybody.
world knows now.
But let me smell it. Let me smell. Oh yeah. What to me it tastes like? It smells like the tomato potato chips, like the ketchup chips. That's what it smells like. I
What they
see.
look like.
Oh, thought you was giving it to me. Flip it over. Okay.
There you go.
I'm excited. I'll wait for you.
Why?
Your daughter wants
Why
to wait.
outside
I
of
don't
them?
like it, but okay.
Why outside of them?
Double that.
I will let you have one, Hannah.
Okay. Ready?
Them taste good.
Hmm.
What does it taste like? Look! I don't know either.
It tastes like batter.
Batteries. It tastes like batteries. Hannah, look.
You can taste
Watch
it, but you're
me.
not in the test yet.
Hannah, look. Watch me.
Give Sissy a bite.
You know what it
I don't
reminds
want
me
to
of?
bite. I'm doing my. Hannah,
The
watch me go. Hannah, come and watch me.
Southern biscuits and gravy. That's what that tastes like. The Southern biscuits and gravy.
I had that. I had that. I had that. Woo!
Okay.
Got it. Watch me.
I mean,
Watch me, Tia.
okay, good job. We got them, so there will be egg.
Then do it.
Mm,
Then do it.
I don't know. What do you think?
Watch me get up.
I give
Watch
them
me
one.
get up. I
I
watch.
mean, I give them a solid 8
Watch me.
because they're not a bad flavor. I'm looking, Savannah. They were not a bad chip to eat. They just didn't taste like them. Sorry, who did this?
Ow.
Greg Hope.
Yep.
Sorry, but I got that ideal to taste these from C Snacks.
No, you didn't get
Shout
it.
out. Y'all should go check out his page. We are not collabing. He does not know.
Whoa.
I shout him out every time he does something that I do. But hey, go check out C Snacks.
What?
And
Why
that's
you
where I
moving the
get
video?
most of my taste test ideals if I don't find them already in the store myself.
He's
Got
lucky. He's up in Connecticut. They get there first.
yeah, he gets lucky because he gets stuff that Tennessee don't get.
We're like the last ones in the
Or
world
like
to get
Knox.
it.
I won't say Tennessee. I say Knoxville. Sometimes Knoxville don't get half of the stuff that other places get.
Sometimes we don't get them at all.
Yeah, we don't get them at all. Which we got lucky. And it took me.
In my chest. I ain't got a needle in my chest. Yeah.
Are you done?
It took me the whole week just to find them.
Yeah.
Maybe 2 weeks. I went to Kroger's. I went to Walmart. And I finally found them at Walmart on Clinton Highway, just in case anybody else is looking for them here in Knoxville. Found them at the Walmart on Clinton Highway. So, hopefully, y'all like this video. Y'all go out and try it, if y'all can find it, or if y'all are lucky enough to get it. Nothing. But anyways, hopefully y'all have a good rest of the day. Bye.
Bye.